What if I told you that this garbage 10-second hand drawing right here can be turned into this hyper-realistic 3D architectural render in less than 60 seconds without spending a single dollar and with zero limit on how many you can create? If you're an architect, interior designer, or student spending hours modeling from scratch or waiting on 12-hour renders, stop! Today, I'm showing you step by step how to unlock 4 insane level 3D architectural styles directly from basic 2D floor plans, hand sketches, and simple SketchUp based models using Gemini AI. Let's jump straight into it. First up, the architectural clay render. Clay renders are crucial for showing client spatial flow without getting bogged down in material choices. Step 1. Take your raw input. It can be a quick pencil sketch on paper or an exported 2D CAD line drawing. Step 2. Open Gemini AI. Upload your image. Step 3. Type this exact prompt and hit generate. Cool. The good thing is, this can be generated several times with no credit required. In coming videos, I will show you how realistic high-end interior views can be generated with all details and geometries intact. Even when you make changes, you can still edit without compromising the other parts of the already generated images, all for free. Now let me show you how to take it a step further. Full photorealism. Step 1. Import your SketchUp export or 2D floor plan into Gemini AI. Step 2. Feed the prompt specifying materials, lighting, and mood. Step 3. Click generate. Look at how crazy the details are. I'm sure some of us are familiar with how time-taking this can be using traditional methods. It is important to note that while AI speeds up your rendering workflow, having solid 3D modeling fundamentals in software like SketchUp is what separates amateurs from elite designers. If you want to learn how to model in SketchUp from a complete beginner level all the way to a seasoned pro, I have created a 100% free, complete step-by-step SketchUp training playlist right here on this channel. Check out the link in the video description below to start learning today. This is absolutely my favorite, the 3D Cutout Isometric view. These are top tier for client presentations and portfolio covers. Step 1. Take your 2D plan or sketch. Step 2. Prompt Gemini AI specifically for spatial cutouts. Step 3. Run the generation. Look at how crazy the details are. As usual, I got a couple of images more. With these, your presentation can be done within seconds. I always ensure my prompts are as simple and clear to the AI as much as possible. For example, check out how I organized my details under headings such as visualization style and composition, geometry and layout preservation, materials, lighting and textures, aesthetic, and so on. Another important consideration is to make your sketches as clear as possible, even if it is not the best of sketches. AI can figure things out if details such as walls, windows, furniture, etc. are clearly placed. Avoid using hatches within your floor plans. It can get the AI confused as to what it means. Keep it simple. Type prompt in the comment section and I'll send you all the prompts I used in this project. all for free. The interesting thing is that they are all reusable for any floor plan and on any AI agent. Finally, the Studio Presentation Mockup. Having a great render is only half the battle. You need to present it like a high-end firm to impress clients. Step 1. Take your newly generated 3D isometric render. Step 2. Input prompt. Step 3. Hit generate. So I've gone ahead to generate a couple of images with same prompt. From a quick 10-second sketch to 4 unbelievable photorealistic architectural assets, all generated for free, unlimited times. If this video has helped you in a way, smash that subscribe button right now. Watch my free complete SketchUp training for beginners playlist to master 3D modeling. You can also access my full interior and exterior visualization courses covering SketchUp, V-Ray with AI, as well as 3ds Max and Corona Renderer. Everything you need to level up your architectural career is linked right in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.